Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am present you how to wrap image in the same line with text in Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click the picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Then insert it. Then decrease the image size and go to the format menu. Then click the wrap text option and choose the inline with text. Now we can see here we added wrap image in the line with text in Word very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.